What's up guys, welcome back to Track Travels. I'm here in this parking lot and I'm going to work on my van a little bit. This means I'm gonna do a oil change because I'm already over 10,000 kilometers. It's like 11k or something. So desperately need to do it. So it's pretty easy, just screw the cap from the bottom to get all the oil out, change the filter and close everything up and put new oil in. So that's the easiest job you can do. What I want to talk about is how my van has been on the road. I have had it already for over a year now and I've done about 30,000 kilometers with it and it's been behaving pretty good. The only things that have been a little bit bad are the tires and this windscreen, and this window actually exploded on me at one point. I'm not sure if someone just bashed it in during the night or it was just had so much pressure on it and it just exploded. I was sleeping in the van and it heard a big bang, and when I came to the front there was no one around, but the window was broken. So yeah, anyway, the car has been doing quite good on the road. It does have some problems, but I've never been stuck on the road with it. But I guess since we're already here, I cleaned up the van also a little bit because I'm not doing anything in it right now. I have been during the holidays I've been living with my girlfriend just around the corner here, and yeah, the van has been staying in one spot for a couple of weeks now. So I just wanted to clean it up a little bit, and maybe I'll just run through what's actually inside, because I think I never made a video like that before. So you've all seen my beautiful wall. It's still pretty nice. Staying together nicely, not coming loose anywhere. I don't know why I'm talking about this, but that's pretty cool. It's a little bit still dirty around here because I haven't been cleaning it too much. I've done some upgrades. I got this one to keep a little bit of the dirt out. I got this one for my shoes. I use much less space with this. The floor with the moisture has moved. These are all actually glued down and it was perfectly together everywhere, but it's been with the moisture, it's been like expanding and going back and expanding and going back, so it's just moved out the way a little bit. So that's fine, it's still pretty alright, I'd say. And my nice kitchen workbench. This is how it's kind of usually. I have my stove usually here, cook here. I have my, which is pretty dirty, my ventilation for cooking with the switch here. Works very nice. All my cooking stuff is here, all the dry goods and snacks and whatnot. Salt, oil, all kinds of spices. This is usually where my computer stays when I'm driving, but right now Cocoa Pops is taking the place. my drawers have been working pretty nicely. The bottom one, since I have too much stuff in it, sometimes doesn't want to cooperate because it doesn't want to close, but otherwise they're good. Top one is nice. Here I usually keep all my cooking stuff, my cutlery, everything, food boxes, things like that. This one is for still some of the stuff that I was using to work on the van with, some electrical stuff and some screws and nuts. Also, I usually keep my onion here, some other boxes, stuff like that. And the bottom one, as I said, is for all the tools, which is pretty heavy already. Oh wow, still have this. I thought I didn't. Cool. Yeah, so now it closed pretty nicely. My fridge is still working pretty good. Comes out nicely, no problems there. It's a bit dirty on top, but yeah, I need to really oil it. Oh, that's terrible. Not much stuff in here because I'm not around. Pretty dirty, I'm sorry, but it works good. Just push it closed. This door holds it really good. That's where I keep my cutting board. This is perfect, although I'm gonna put some silicone in here, but for now it's perfect. Later when I get all my tools and stuff out, I can move my kitchen stuff in there, so it's good. Yeah, right now I have to keep this one here also because there's no room. Yeah. As I said, this is my electronics, my computer stuff usually. Right now it's a mess. Sink is pretty good, works nicely. In one video I said that I made some changes to how my water system works. So it's basically now, before I had to take this one out. It was connected with the hose from the top here, but this water drums have a screw like around here on the other side, where you can screw the like the connection part and install the hose there. So I did that, and now what I basically do is I move this one in front here, and I use these water jugs, which are much easier to move around because they're not as heavy. And I use these water jugs to just fill this up from the top here, and it's much more comfortable. But this is not the final system that I'm gonna do. So the final system is gonna be a water tank underneath the van, and the gray water also underneath the van. And after, when I get all these underneath, I'm also going to put a portable toilet under here that I can just take out and possibly just keep my cleaning stuff next to it. I need to work out how I'm gonna do my trash bin too, so that's the plan with this area. Plan here is going to be that inside this wall here, I'm going to install a water heater. Wires are going down through the bottom to the other side and coming up there below the bed, and I'm gonna connect this somewhere over there. And also the water pipes come, when the water is underneath the van, they come over here up top. water heater is gonna be inside here. Here I'm gonna have a shower head that you can easily move around so it doesn't take space. These ones will probably move back inside to the cabinet. I need to get some shelves or something in the bottom. And here on the base I'm going to build a portable shower base. Basically it's gonna be during when I'm driving, it's gonna be up on this wall, probably secured with a hook or something. And when I'm gonna use it, I'm just going to flip it down and open it up this way, so it's like nice and big shower base, so you have normal room that you have at home. I really don't like those really small spaces like people have, like these small showers in the vans that are like probably a little bit, maybe something like this from the wall, and yeah, they're not big and they have the toilets in there and stuff, so I'm not sure how they're gonna wash there, but I'm gonna do it like that with so it's portable, nice, you don't have to use much space for that. And the curtains, shower curtains, I'm probably just going to have something on the ceiling that you can basically just remove the curtains if you want to, or maybe I can just have it so I can secure the curtains on the wall here. And when I flip this up, this is gonna hold the bottom. And the water, the gray water from the washing is gonna be like over here. This corner is gonna be like a just a water hose or something that's flexible. So when you flip it up, it's gonna be moving up. When you flip it down, it's gonna be down, and it goes somewhere from here, either to gray water tank or somewhere where it's okay, probably on the ground. So that's fine. Maybe I'll put some filter between if I'm gonna, or probably I'm gonna put some filter in between when I'm gonna have it go on the ground, but yeah. So this area, usually my toiletries, and right now it's a mess, so there's a lot of other stuff. There's some still some tools back there. I installed these cabin doors, although they're not ready. I installed them because I wanted to just secure these things down so they don't fall when I'm driving. Works pretty okay. It's not perfect, but yeah. This plywood is not the best for the doors. Probably, maybe I'm gonna get some other material and do it. So here's the same, all my fishing gear and snorkeling stuff. Also jars and stuff, because sometimes I need to have some storage for some other stuff, some food or something. So this is basically how it was. I haven't done anything with the back wall. This is probably gonna be a wood or something. This one is gonna be a soft wall with some foam and some nice fabric over the top. And this one maybe a wallpaper or something. And here's all my, well, some tools, electrical stuff. Everything's working nicely. I think. Let's check what's that. Huh. Okay, that's interesting. Gotta check this later. Haven't been in the van for some time, so I think there's something wrong with the solar panels right now, because it was blinking. Usually it should be on all the time, or maybe the batteries are full so it doesn't charge. And some more tools and stuff here. It's a little bit harder to lift because of the chair there. Yeah, this is my induction cooktop, which I really don't use. There's tools there. That's it. Also, they have the bamboo for the corners or these parts. This is the only one that I've connected or installed. It's gonna have one here. Maybe not this one. This one's probably, well, I've done it with something already, but I'm gonna put more like silicone or something here. But yeah, the top corners, this one's probably gonna be silicone too. So yeah, maybe over here I'm gonna do it with that, over here. So it looks nice. So that's basically where I live right now, or where I used to live a couple of weeks ago still. So yeah, that was my van tour. 1st January 2020. So guys, stay tuned, and as always, see you next time. Bye bye.